how's it going? Hope all is well. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here with you with Beauty Forever Hair, and today I have some blonde hair with me, okay? And I am doing the watercolor method, so I'm gonna just show you how I did the blonde in this video. So I took a pot, I put it in the sink. Yes, I put gloves on. My hands have been dyed all week, okay? But I go ahead and I run my water. And I'm using some pretty warm water. And I got this method from, I believe I got this method from, I don't know how to say her name. I think it's Alyssa. I was watching her do the slime, the green slime, and she was doing the scissor look. So that is who I looked at as far as this. I don't know why the water is still running. I think I probably walked out the kitchen or fixing my camera. But please stop the water. Stop the water, Leah. Stop the water, Leah. There we go. Okay, so you probably don't need that much water. So now I'm going in with two different dyes. I really wanted something very shiny, so I'm doing the Raging Red, and I'm also doing like this Burgundy Red, and I used both of them. And at first I was a little scared because it came out very pink, but I do like how both of these colors came out. I just feel like it came out the best color for me. So I took both of the dyes and I put both of them in there. I would say the Raging Red was a little more on the kind of like the pinkish red fuchsia type side, and the burgundy kind of balanced it out. And I put both of them in there. Now I just went in and I mixed it up. And you guys, this is like a very fun little thing to do. Like, this was a cool little DIY project. So I would suggest anybody, like, come on y'all, just try it. Go ahead. You don't gotta use a pot, because I'm like, why did I use my crab pot? Go ahead and get you a little bowl from Family Dollar, Dollar Tree, or whatever, Walmart. Don't be using your good stuff. But then after I finished doing this, I dropped a napkin. No, I dipped a napkin in there just to test the color out. But I wanted mine to be, y'all, I was so scared it was going to come out pink. So that's why I used both of them. I don't think you have to use both of the colors, but I did because I just did not want it to be pink. I wanted it to be red, like a very bright red. So I am still mixing and still mixing. So now I'm doing the test with the paper towel, and this is the color that I have. And I wanted to use a little more dye because I wanted to be a little darker. So that is what I did, and I just repeated the same steps over and over until I found the color that I desired. So that was the color I was looking for. So now I'm taking this gorgeous body wave hair and I'm just dipping it in. One thing I do like about Beauty Forever is I love, okay, this is trial and error, you guys, But I love the fact that it was very easy to dye, you guys. Like, this stuff really works within seconds. But I do suggest you unravel your bundle. Learn from me, okay? Because everybody else on YouTube is perfect. Not me. Not me. Yeah, I kind of messed up on the first bundle, but it still came out pretty good. And I just merged it in. You guys, I fell in love with the color. OMG. So yes. So this is the color that we're working with. I'm sorry I got bad lighting in my kitchen. Should have brought my ring light in. But I love the color it came out. Now I'm detangling it. And I just did this step with all 4 of the bundles. And after I finished, I put it on a wig cap, you guys, and I used this closure. I used the closure to do it. The closure wasn't that good because it wasn't with the company, unfortunately, because I didn't get a closure for them. But it still worked and it still came out good. So this was the final product and I really liked it. I cut the hair into a bob because I really felt like, you know, being red all the way down was too much for me. So yes, thanks for watching.